Happy National Milk Chocolate Day, everybody. If you're like me, you probably didn't even know that there was a National Milk Chocolate Day, but since Facebook tells me there is, I thought the best way for us to celebrate it would be by combining two of my favorite things, which is cannabis and chocolate. For a lot of people, edibles are something they save for a special occasion, and the reason is because a lot of times they'll overindulge with their edibles. And while that may be a fun experience, as a medical patient, I rely on edibles to keep my dosage stable throughout the day. It's important for me not to become over-medicated or I can't get the stuff done that I need to get done. And so I keep a pantry full of oils, butters, and different ingredients that I can use in my cooking just on an everyday basis. Chocolate's one of the most common ways that people consume edibles. Everybody's heard about weed brownies and the chocolate bars you get, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make them at home. Last week I froze some individual portions. I infused some black cream, our homegrown black cream, into a stick of butter, and then I froze that in the freezer in just individual 1 tablespoon portions. And then what I can do during the week is pull that out and I can use it in different ways. And so let me show you how easy it is to incorporate the butter into this chocolate bar that I picked up for $1 at the grocery store. I mixed the chocolate with 1 tablespoon of butter that I infused with my Levo. My stove has an ultra-low setting for melting, but if yours doesn't, use a double broiler because you don't want to get it too hot. Stir well to get it evenly dispersed, then pour it into these little Levo molds and pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. The butter was about 150 milligrams per tablespoon, so I divide 150 by the number of candies that it made. Okay, they've come out and they taste great. They are so good, and what I like about the fact that they're small and the dosage is low is I can have one as a snack and just pop it in my mouth whenever I want to. They're about 5 to 6 milligrams, and so that's just a really nice low dosage that if I want to have more after that, I can certainly add to it. The great thing about the way I use edibles is that it's just a part of my everyday cooking. Be sure to like and follow us because I'm going to be doing more videos on how to use everyday edibles, how to incorporate infused products in your everyday cooking and your everyday routine. Thank you so much, and now that we know it's a thing, I hope you have an excellent National Milk Chocolate Day.